This is Cyndy G. In this video, we're assembling the Dinosaur Gable box. Now I have already applied my panel pieces, and you can see here where they all go. We also have this little kind of comic book burst that we're gonna put. Which way do I like it better? The other way. We're going to glue this right to the front. So just decide which side you want to be your front, and that's where you're going to glue this. You just want to make sure to get it inside the score lines. Now I did already glue these two pieces together, and that's just going to go right here in the center. I'm going to pop that up a little bit with some foam tape. Jump. Okay. And these are very quick and easy to put together. They're not too big. Just a moment, I'll show you the size of them here on the board. You may be able to make it out a little yourself, but let me just glue this down. So the box is 2.5 inches tall and just under 2 inches wide and so you know, a cute box, 1, 2, 3.25 inches in the width. So, you know, you can use it for filling with treats because you don't have to have a whole bunch. And they go together quick enough to do these for like your child's classroom. It won't take too long to put several of these together. And then I've inked this spot here for the nostrils just to have that have a little, a little bit more accent, because I did use all the same color. Now, if you were to vary your colors that you were using, if one of these two greens was a little bit darker than the other, you wouldn't need to ink to help get your accent color there. But I didn't. I did mine the same, so I'm just trying to flatten this out a little bit. It's curling some from the glue. And then I'm just going to glue this right in place. Here, this is what I chose to be my front. So there he is. Say quick and simple. And then we're going to glue it shut. And I'm going to fold that the other way too. Make sure we've got that glued down. Then for the back, you're going to put your bottom down, then your two sides, then push this piece in. So these can be stored flat, so you can make them ahead of time, or you can even reuse them. And then just tuck these into and there is the Dinosaur Gable box. Thank you for joining me.